What's up, guys? This is the Transforming Gundam, and I am so happy right now because I just finished my last two finals of the semester. So that means I am finally done. Oh, this has been a long semester, and yeah, I apologize for not posting in the last few days, or not making a lot of posts on my Instagram. I've just been busy trying to get through my finals, and I finally finished. I had two finals today, and it was rough, but I got through. But today, I'm going to be doing a unboxing, and this is another USA Gundam Store unboxing. Now, this is my second time ordering from USA Gundam Store, and they are a great company. I've had nothing but good things to say about this. Fortunately, I'm not sponsored, but I'd still recommend checking out USA Gundam Store if you're looking for a place to buy your Gundam kits. So, now, full disclaimer, this is mostly something I bought just so I can get the sticker from the month of April. And if you don't know what April's sticker was, well, you're about to find out. And as soon as they revealed it, I knew I had to get it. Now, I really hope that I actually got it in this box because I actually ordered it on the last day of April. And for a quick, background, if you didn't know, if you order from USA Gundam Store, they include a free sticker every month. And each month they reveal a new sticker for that month. So, this I got for the April sticker. And, of course, the kit in here is also really cool. And as you can see, this is a huge box. This is almost too big for my setup. It takes up almost this whole entire desk that I have, but it's a pretty small desk. So anyways, here's a look at the front or side of the box here. You can see the USA Gundam Store logo. Of course, it's backwards because I'm filming this with my front-facing camera. Here's the other side's normal stuff, and then here is the USA Gundam Store logo, our mascot, which is Apex, I guess is the name of this little guy here. And yeah, so let's crack this open, and let's hope I actually get the April sticker because, yeah, it is awesome. So, got my knife here. I'm going to cut down the middle here. And then let's cut these sides. Alright, and the other side here. Let's see, is that enough? Alright, here we go. So, let's get all this out of the way here. First off, you can see some airbag packaging to help keep the kit safe. There's more of that. And let's just move this box out of the way for now before I take the kit out. So let's take a look here at some of the papers. We get, of course, a thank you letter from, this time it is from Ron, who actually packaged this for me. So thanks, Ron, from USA Gundam Store. So there's that. There's just order confirmation. And a USA Gundam Store sticker. Does that mean I don't get April sticker? I really hope this isn't the sticker I got. Is there another sticker in here? That's a little bit disappointing. I just got a standard USA Gundam Store sticker. I didn't get the April sticker. Well, that sucks, because, yeah, as I said, the main reason why I ordered this is because I wanted April sticker, which I'll put a picture of it up now so you can see it. And yes, it is actually the Tequila Gundam. And if you know me, you know I love G Gundam. And when they revealed the Tequila Gundam sticker, I knew I had to get it, but I guess I got it too late because, as I said, I ordered this on the last day of April. And as you can see here, the kit that I did order is the Master Grade Barbatos. Now, I've heard great things about this kit. I am very excited because I haven't built a Master Grade in quite some time, and especially not a modern Master Grade like this here. So I'm very excited to be building their masquerade here, and this is a huge box. So, anyways, that's how I finish unboxing. And I guess I'll switch camera view so you can get better shots of what the box looks like here. So here's a better look at the box, and if you hear that thunder, well, it sounds like it's about to start pouring soon. But anyways, as you can see, there is some beautiful artwork of the Barbatos just absolutely smashing through a grace here. And yeah, man, I do miss these Masquerade box arts because this just looks sick. As you can see, it has the blue Bandai logo there, which with all the newer kits, they started to transition to this logo. This kit came out in 2019, as you can see. Of course, on the side it just says Barbatos, and it is from the Iron-Blooded Orphans line, of course. And then we'll take a look at the sides real fast here, showing off a front and rear shot of the kit, some action poses, the inner frame, which looks really good here, and then just showing off some of the markings, some of the figures that it comes with. And then on the other side, as you can see, this is actually a pretty skinny box here. It's a thing I'm starting to notice with these newer Master Grade boxes, that they made them really wide, but the sides here are actually really skinny. I don't really know how I feel about that. On one hand, it is kind of cool because you do get these larger artwork here, but that means you get these really wide boxes that do take up a lot of space. So yeah, but anyways, here's a look at the other side. You look at some of the weapons, just some more of the gimmicks and poses, the really cool backpack, and how you can store all the weapons. And then here's just an out-of-box, completely unpainted kit, looks like, just snapped together with no effort at all. So yeah, that does look really good. And of course, since this is a newer Bandai kit, they took off the retail price. But I paid about, it was like, actually, I can check here and see how much I paid for this. Let's see, I paid, does it not actually say on here? Huh, I guess it doesn't actually say how much I paid, but if I remember correctly, it was like around $50. I had a $50 USA Gundam Store gift card that I used on this kit. I did still ended up having to pay $7 out of my own pocket because of the shipping and everything else. But still, really looking forward to building this kit. If you want me to do a full unboxing, let me know. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.